Hey everybody, coming here from my newest job site here. I just wanted to thank Trevor Stromquist. I believe he's a rep for 3M down in Florida. Saw the live videos and he sent me a couple care packages here. Trevor, thank you so much. Thank you 3M. I thought I'd just give you a little taste of what he sent. We got some of the new Cool Flow masks. One of the new respirators with the latch that lets it loose. We got a whole bunch of edge lock, quick release there, standard edge lock, non-delicate. Whole bunch of the new flexible sanding pads like this here. These are phenomenal. One of my favorite tools on the planet, the hand maskers here. I got about 6 or 7 in use, many of them for 8 or 10 years, and it's nice to replenish the supply here. We got some new 4-in-1 applicator patch stuff here. I have yet to try, but I will and let you know. Pro grade sandpaper. Lot too much to mention here, but a whole bunch more in here. Also some stuff that I'm sort of interested to try out here. Let's see, we got the edge lock and plastic all in one here, so we can throw this in our interior totes and just take to the job site with us. Wall repair. This has fiber in it. This will actually take up larger holes. Yet to try this as well. Very interested to give that a shot. Wall repair kit. Same thing with the fiber, but with putty knife and mesh. Whole bunch of the new plastic, either the 12 or the 2-foot here. Just excellent stuff, and miles of this stuff on each one. And then Trevor also got with a Purdy rep and sent me piles of Purdy brushes here. So thank you guys so much for that. Yeah, and my favorite, they sent about half a box full of the new plastic like this too. So Trevor, thank you so much. This is beyond helpful. I can't even comprehend how much this costs to overnight ship from Florida, these 2 boxes. My poor mail carrier could barely lift these things into the house. So thank you so much. You're doing the Lord's work out there, and this is going to be put to good use. It'll be put to good use on this place here. This is my new job site. We just started this about an hour or 2 ago. We're getting prepped in here, and this is a job. It's simple but not easy. Simple is we basically just this is about a 13-year-old house here. Colors are faded. This is the original builder's paint, which is horrible stuff. It fades. Simple in the fact that we're basically refreshing all the colors in the same place. Easy, it is not easy because it's got a whole bunch of little fun areas up here and stuff too. So over the course of the next couple days, we'll be restoring this beauty, and yeah, we'll be coming to you live. And this Friday, I thought I'd remind you that I am going to be doing a live demonstration of how I prep cabinets for painting. The main thing I wanted to display was I've been getting a lot of requests for people asking, how do we plastic off the inside of cabinets? It's taken forever. How can I make it quicker? I'll show you my quick way of doing it. Not only is it very strong, it's hard to blow through with a sprayer. You don't get any flakes coming off it, and the plastic doesn't flap around and stick to the cabinets, and it's very quick too. So we'll see you guys Friday at noon. Most likely we'll be coming to you from this job site. I'll bring my little portable cabinet along and we'll get after it. So everybody have a good week. We'll see you later.